Package includes 2 8-ounce blending bowls and 2 stackable lids. Does not include base blade. Blade base is required to blend ingredients within the blending bowls. When paired with a blade base from one of the Vitamix blending kits, blending bowls can be used to chop ingredients for any meal and make dips, spreads, dressings, smoothie bowls, and baby food. For use only with Ascent or Venturist Series blenders, as built-in self-detect technology allows blender to recognize the containers and automatically adjust blend settings for their size. Containers are made of BPA-free Eastman Tritan and are dishwasher-safe. For use with the Vitamix Ascent Series blenders sold in US, CA, or MX only, includes the A2300, A2500, A3300, and A3500. Sometimes, just a little bit is just enough. Our 8-ounce blending bowls can be paired with the blending bowl starter kit to create tiny portions of your favorite recipes, using your Ascent or Venturist Series blender. The convenient size is also perfect for quickly chopping ingredients like garlic and onion. Top reviews from the United States. Great substitute for food processor for onions and for coffee. This works great for small things like when you have to chop a half onion for a recipe beats having to clean a food processor or dealing with the tears and smells of chopping it by hand. I prefer fresh ground coffee and use a K-cup since I am single and just grind a few scoops of beans and put them in an airtight container, beats buying a coffee grinder and having that take up space on my counter. I have been cooking a lot and have had issues finding whole wheat flour due to COVID and prefer the taste of fresh ground anyway. I didn't want to buy the dry blade, and even though this is a wet blade, it blends wheat fine. Most recipes only need 1 cup of flour, and since you only need to blend 2/3 cup of wheat berries, this works great, and sometimes I'll blend another bowl and store it in the bowl if one no I'll use it in the next couple days. Also love using this for cinnamon. I use cinnamon a lot and this works great for grinding whole cinnamon sticks or nutmeg cloves. Fresh ground is so much better than store-bought. I already had the blade from the smoothie container since I love smoothies and frozen cocktails, so this is well worth the price for me. Not sure if I would be buying this if I had to pay for the blade and didn't want the smoothie jars, maybe better off buying a coffee grinder for coffee and spices and using the liquid container for flour.